Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be claiming the last present from the Plants vs. The last ornament from the Plants vs. Brain Rot's advent calendar. And here I'm just going to claim this one. And yay, I've completed 25 days and I finally got all of the rewards. So here's what I got. I got this Christmas Treelini. And this Partridge in a pear seed. And I also got 2 size potions. So finally, the advent calendar is done. I will make another tutorial on this. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.